Example 7 on page 415, simplify this rational expression. Solution. To factor this rational expression, you factor out the numerator. This is numerator, okay? And you also factor out the denominator, 320. Let me factor this 120 on this side. So 120, you factor out, it could go to 260. This is 3, okay? Because 2 times 60, 120, okay? Let's see, you can factor 2 more. Another 2. 2 times what is 60? 30, right? And it's even. You look at, you can factor out another 2. 2 times what is 30? 15. Now, this is odd. Look like you cannot factor out, you cannot use 2 as factor anymore. But 15, you know that you can do 3. 3 times what equals 15? 5. Now, 2, 3, 5s are all primes. And you cannot factor any further when the number is prime. So you know that for 120, its factors are 2, 3, 5. Now for 2, how many 2? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So the exponents is 3, okay? Because there are 3, 2. All right, there's 1, 3. Okay, there's 3 right here. Go here. There's 1, 5. Okay, there's 1, number 5. Right? So that's how you factor out 120. Let's see, how do you factor 320? This is even, right? 2. Just like you divide, take 320 divided by 2, you have 160. You can check, right? 2 times 160 is 320. Is even. You can do 2 again. It's A0. 2 times 80 is 160. Even. You can factor 2 again. 40. 40 is even. You can factor another 2. 20. Even. And again, 10. Even. Another 1, 2, 5. Now 5 is factor, and you know that's all you can factor. So 320 can be factored as in terms of 2 and 5, right? How many 2 do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 2, so the exponent is 6. And there's 1, 5, so multiply by 5. Okay? Alright, let's see. Now look like 2, you can simplify 2 and 5, right? For both, because 2 and 5 are common factors in both 120 and 320. Now let's see, the maximum 2 we can simplify. The maximum 2 you can simplify or divide to 120 and divide to 320 is 2 to the third. Right, 2 to the third, because this is 2 to the 6th. There's more to that, okay? You can factor out. Let me do this on the side, okay? So look like you can factor out 2 to the third, because this has 2 to the third. This has more than 2 to the third, so it's fine. So you know that this also captures 2 to the third. Let's see. Can you factor out 3? 3 is not common, so you cannot divide 3 for this one because there are no 3 here. All right, how about 5? Yes, you can also divide by 5. So simplify, you have 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. So look like you can divide 40 into this 120 and this 320. Okay. So I will factor out 40. Okay, for the numerator, and I also factor out 40 for the denominator, because I know that 40 or 2 to the third times 5 is a common factor to both 120 and 320, okay? All right. Now, if I factor out 40 to 120, what left? 120, 40 is what? 3 times 4 is 12, times 0 is 0, so 3 left, okay? How about 320? divided by 40. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 0 is 0. Subtract 0. So 8. Okay? So let me simplify all this. Now, you look for common factors. 40 is a common factor, right? 120. And 40 also a common factor, 320. You can rewrite this as two rational numbers, 40. You can write this as two rational factors, 40 over 40, 3 over 8, okay, these two factors, rational. Now, 40 divided by 40 is a factor of 1, okay? So you can simplify that 40 divided by 40 is 1 times 3 over 8. So the answer is 3 over 8. And you can check, right? You cannot divide any further. 3 cannot divide by 8. That's all you can simplify. So the answer is 3 over 8.